Hey guys, welcome back to Ham's Tech Fixer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error, "Can't open the illustration." The file was generated by a newer version of Adobe Illustrator. If you're facing this problem, don't worry at all. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and permanent way to fix it step by step. So, watch the full video to fix this error completely without any issues, and don't skip any part, or you might miss an important step. First, let me show you the problem. Here I have an Adobe EPS file. Now I'm opening it using my current Adobe Illustrator version. As you can see, it shows an error message saying, "Can't open the illustration." This happens because the file was created using a newer version of Illustrator, and my version is older. Now, let me show you my Illustrator version. And as you can see, I'm using Adobe Illustrator 2017. That's why this file is not opening. So now, I'm going to fix this problem. First, I have downloaded Adobe Illustrator 2023. Now run the Adobe Illustrator 2023 setup. Install it normally on your PC. This may take a few minutes. Now the installation is complete. Let's open Adobe Illustrator 2023. Now I'm going to open the same EPS file that was not opening before. And as you can see, now it opens perfectly without any error. This time it opens perfectly without showing any error message, which means the issue is now completely fixed and the file is working properly in Adobe Illustrator 2023, and without showing any error message at all, which means the problem has been successfully resolved. Now let's go back to Adobe Illustrator 2017 again. If I try to open the same file here, you can see it still shows the error. So the problem is clearly due to using an older version. So the best and permanent solution is to update your Adobe Illustrator to a newer version. This will fix the error completely and allow you to open all newer files without any issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Ham's Tech Fixer, and see you in the next video.